You tell your girl Marcita be here back as promised with an update on the hair that I installed last weekend, the Afri Naptural Amazon curl. Now, I didn't run through the specs last weekend, so let me do that for you. And I'm getting this information directly from the fieldbeauty.com website where I purchased the hair for $6.99 a pack. They have it in 8 colors. I used 4 packs. Okay, so they list the hair as fiber content, connectalon, toy yokalon. You can't go wrong with that. Heat safe. Now, I don't know about you, but I ain't got time for that. If I'm buying some pre-curled hair, it's because it's pre-curled. I ain't trying to curl it no more or straighten it. But I digress. Pre-stretched. We like hair that's pre-stretched because it has those natural ends. Big check for that. Natural texture. Yes, this hair does look very natural. Soft texture. It is very soft. Moderate shine. We don't like that shiny plastic. Although we know our hair is plastic, we don't want it to look plastic. And this hair does look very natural. Voluminous, not flat. This hair has nice bounce, but it's not too much volume. It's very, very natural looking. And last but not least on this list is rigidity. Hair stays in place post installation, and happy to report no issues with knots slipping. So 2 thumbs up for that. Now the other thing I was a little concerned with when I installed this hair was tangling. I was noticing a few little hinky-hinkies on the ends. You know, they have yet to invent a synthetic crochet hair that has zero frizz or zero tangling. You gotta get a little something something because it's plastic fiber.
Yeah, we already know it's plastic.
But depending on the quality, and I am happy to report that this hair is really nice quality. I haven't had any issues with frizzing, and as far as tangling, the few little tangles that you're gonna get on the ends, you can easily finger comb those out or take your Denman brush and just brush them right on out. This hair is super easy to maintain, just with your normal crochet braids maintenance. Of course, I've been keeping my scalp moisturized with my mix of essential oils and just using a little of my favorite BRX braid spray on the synthetic hair itself, wearing my bonnet at night. Now, some nights I would twist it up. Some nights I just stuff it up into the bonnet. Basically, it looked the same either way, so you really don't have to even take that extra step. And just to test the hair, a couple of nights I just went to sleep with no bonnet at all and didn't experience any like excess matting or tangling. What little tangling there was, again, a little finger combing or the Denman brush, little braid spray, and it was good. So what I think I'm gonna do now, since I have all this extra hair from the 5th pack that I bought, is change up my style a little bit. I'm gonna add some hair, probably do a little trim, and I'll be back, so please stay tuned. Back With look number 2, YouTube, I added some hair from my 5th pack and trimmed the style down to just around shoulder length. Voila! All new style. Which one do you like best, the longer version or the shorter version? That will do it for this update video, YouTube. Now, if there's anything that I did not touch on in either the first video or this one, you know what to do. Post your comment or question down below. I'll get right back at you. Thank you so very much for watching. I truly appreciate you. Rate, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I may be back this weekend with another little something. So stay eyes peeled for that. Until then, YouTube, again, thank you for watching. Marcita B is out, but you know what I always say before I leave. You be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.